the Škoda Auto Group of €26.5 billion in 2023. The company significantly increased its operating profit by 182.3% compared to the previous year to €1.8 billion. The Czech carmaker also improved its return on sales to 6.7%. Globally, Škoda Auto delivered 866,800 vehicles to customers last year. With 81,700 units sold, the Enyaq recorded the highest percentage growth among all models, making it one of the top-selling BEVs in many European markets. By entering the Vietnamese and Kazakh markets, the Czech car manufacturer continued to implement its internationalization strategy. In addition, Škoda is also resolutely implementing its plans in the areas of digitalization and electrification. The company is committed to investing billions of euros in e-mobility in the coming years. These strategic investments, coupled with the company's robust financial performance, are essential for ensuring its long-term success in the rapidly evolving automotive industry. For more information, check Škoda.